What's going on, world? All right, today is gonna be something a little bit different. I want to try and use the Canon M50 with just the bare minimums. I mean, stripped down to the bone, and we're just gonna use a mic and the Canon 15 to 45 lens that came with it, the kit lens. Yeah, the kit lens. This is what you get with the creative pack.
Yeah, big up StefShutterTv, baby!
First thing first, I gotta go get something to eat, cause I'm starving. If I can get this seat belt, this is hard work trying to get the seat belt with one hand. Let's see. Let's get it there. Oh, did it. Safety first. It's time to give me some breakfast. The only real spot to get breakfast from. Chick-fil-A is the best. I gotta tell you, let me turn this off. Okay. Chick-fil-A is the best. They give you free gifts on your birthday. Like, my birthday just passed last week, and I had a milkshake waiting for me. They got what is it? Strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, and cookies and cream. Obviously, you know I'm going with the cookies and cream. I mean, that's the best one to get, cookies and cream. But anyway, let's see what I'm gonna order today. I always order the same thing, but I always do the same thing. So I come over here, they're gonna ask me for my order, and I always say, let me see the menu. And I already know what I'm gonna order. Let's see. Watch. Check it out.
Hi there.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm gonna get ready. Sorry. Can I get a name for the order?
Steph.
Steph?
Yep.
Alrighty, Steph, what can I get for you today?
Can I see the menu?
Yeah, absolutely. Here you go.
I think I'm gonna go with number one.
Number one meal?
Wait, hold on. Yeah, I'll do number one.
Alrighty, the biscuit meal.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to set up the cones for the 2 lanes. I'm sorry?
Number one.
Number one for your beverage?
Sweet tea with 3 lemons.
Your car's up, please, as tightly as possible.
Can I have you move forward up with me?
Okay. I thought you said, can I have you move to Florida with me? I'm like, what?
What? Okay, first of all, that was like a whole different level, and I'm not prepared for that kind of commitment. Sorry, is that all for you today?
Yeah.
Any sauces or jellies?
Chick-fil-A sauce and honey.
I don't know why I thought that was me. Chick-fil-A sauce and what?
And honey.
And honey?
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty, that brings you a total of $5.34 for a Chick-fil-A biscuit meal with hash brown, sweet tea, and 3 lemons with Chick-fil-A sauce and honey.
Awesome. You can scan my app.
Right here. Alrighty, and are you paying with cash or card or through the app?
I'll be paying with card. Well, my phone actually.
Oh, through Apple Pay?
Through Samsung Pay.
Samsung Pay?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty,
Works.
go ahead and pull forward to the window. We can assist you from there.
Awesome. Thank you.
My pleasure.
I was gonna do something silly, but I changed my mind. I can't be getting kicked out of Chick-fil-A like that, man. Chick-fil-A is my life. So it's God, family, and then Chick-fil-A. That's how that works. Good morning.
It's gonna be $5.34. It's a Chick-fil-A biscuit meal with a medium of sweet tea with a lemon.
Nice. Okay, and I want to pay with my card, my phone actually. Okay, what's going on here? There we go. Tap. Oh, no.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Where is it? There. That is the best thing ever.
Here you are, sir. And on your receipt, you have a survey for a free Chick-fil-A sandwich. If you fill it out within 2 days, we'll send you an email for it, okay?
What?
Yes, sir.
I'm definitely doing that.
Just fill it out within, I want to say it's 48 hours of, like, the time that you pay.
Okay.
So, yeah.
That's cool.
There you are, Mr. Chef.
Free is always good with me.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's see. I got all this crap in here. This is kind of dangerous, guys. But. Enough of that. So, you got your little. Let's see if I can open this. It's like an unboxing. Look, it's a Chick-fil-A unboxing. Oh, I can't open it. It's like your golden brown hash browns. Look at that. To dip or not to dip? That is the question. And guys, look. I have it about maybe right now we're about 5 inches away from the lens. Look at that. Oh, I gotta get a taste first. Hold on. In the words of my son, it's awesome. Okay. Those are pretty straight. Nice and crispy. On point. And here, it's my little friend. It's a little guy. Look at that. Let's see what they say. Chick-fil-A chicken biscuit. Y'all know nothing about this right here? Y'all ain't never had this. Y'all ain't doing it right. Okay. Look, the unwrapping of the chicken biscuit. And it's just a piece of chicken on a biscuit. But damn it, if this isn't amazing, oh my gosh. And they give you real chicken too, not that little, yeah, I don't know, that stuff that these other places be giving you, but real chicken. So obviously, with that being said, okay, kind of upset. She gave me one, she must be new. She gave me one Chick-fil-A sauce. Who does that? One Chick-fil-A sauce? Really? One? And she gave me one honey. Really? One honey. Come on. Look at the autofocusing on that. Pretty sweet. Ha! Let's put the beauty back on the camera. This is the beauty. And then the monster. Well, it's time for me to grub out. I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, guys. So, I think I just found something dope. I was online, right? Just going online real quick. I was like, let me try to find some camera shops here in Virginia. It's terrible that there's no B&H out here. I really miss B&H. That was the good thing about living in New York. You had the B&H, the world's biggest camera store. It was awesome. You can find any and everything in there. Love that spot. But anyway, we ain't got nothing like that out here. So I think I just found something pretty cool. It's not gonna be able to compare to that, but it's good enough.
Never say never. Look back and say never, never say never. Never say never.
We are standing for the dead. My baby. Top down on the highway. If you let me love you. Shorty, she ain't even got a visa.
Alright guys, I told y'all there would be something cool. Oh, my legs hurt. Jeez, it's a long ride. There'll be something cool. Now check it out. Let's go see it. Let's go see what it is. Let's go see. I've been trying to come here for a minute, and now I finally found it. That's what's up. Let's go see. Look at that. Look at the background. The background looks good out there. Look at that. Check out that autofocus. It's awesome. Nice. Okay. Wasn't really nothing to look at in there. To be honest, the store freaking sucks.